Go put it in the freezer. Go put the groceries away. Good girl. Okay, last one.
Say please. Say please.
You want another one, please?
Good girl.
Okay, go
Come
put it away.
Here.
Good girl.
Good job. Yay.
Are there any more? Do we have some more to put away? Ooh, she wants to put the, oh yeah, put the shrimp away. Go put them in the freezer.
Put it in here. Go put it in here. Go put it in here.
Pull out the drawer for her.
Go put it in here. Good job.
Good girl. What about, can you help Daddy put the cookies in the cabinet? Okay, he's going to pick you up. All right, let's open the cabinet. Put them in there. Oh, good girl. What about the Oreos? You put them in there? Good job. Good girl. Can you close the door?
Close the door. Hey, close the door.
Good girl.
Good girl.